day, y'all. I kid you not. They trying to kick my butt, okay? Like, oh my God. Me taking over this West Palm Beach office is like, girl. I'm about to have to get in there like Tyson and bite some ears off. Like, no. They trying to get me. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna leave that in the past because that was a few minutes ago. But anyway, y'all, here I am at this four-way stop with folk don't know how to drive. Folk don't know how to drive. All right, it ain't your turn. It ain't your turn. It ain't your turn. Anyway, y'all, so your girl is headed to go grab something to cook because, listen, if I wait too much longer, I've already waited too long because traffic is crazy around 5:30-ish in my area. And I don't like that. Anyway, so I don't know who that is calling me from Miami, Florida, but I am off work at the moment. So listen, if it's about work, you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But anyway, so, and I can't help it anyway because I ain't at home. But so based off of what I was talking about, I'm headed to go get something to cook. I don't know what I'm gonna cook tonight, but I'm definitely I need to cook because I'm tired of eating out and I don't know what to order anyway. So I'm just gonna go in the store and let it hit me when I get there, you know, like the Holy Spirit or something. If I'm paying for that, wait a minute. Thank you. Nope, that's it. Thank you. Have a good one.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? All right, hon buns. I'm back. Put this old stinky hand sanitizer on. Y'all, I grabbed the wrong one out the bucket and it smells like vanilla sugar. And y'all know I hate vanilla. Like, ew, it stinks so bad. Oh, so now I gotta wrap this stinky ass stuff on my hands, but I need hand sanitizer, okay? So I'm back at home, obviously, and I'm about to cook some salmon and some what's the other thing? Salmon and some Caesar salad. Duh, it is what it is. Anyway, so I'm about to cook that up, and so I don't know, I think I'm gonna do maybe like a Cajun seasoning. Baby boy does want to cook his own, so that works for me because he does whenever we do salmon. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty cool night. Hubby just left to go to Miami, so I pray that he's safe and traveling mercy and all that good stuff. And then I personally am about to cook, and I'm about to find me a movie to watch on the Fire Stick, and I'm gonna call it a night because I'm tired. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
I begin to
freaking out, wanting you and figures.